Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samke and thank you for tuning in today again. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and guys, thank you for the support you've shown in the previous videos. And yeah, I did mention some things about myself that I really like in the previous video. So if you haven't watched it, please go back and check it out and see what Samke likes. Well, today we're going to be doing dumplings. I don't know if you guys know dumplings or Madombi or steamed bread. Okay, it's still the same thing. So what you will need is 2 cups of flour in the bowl already. You need 10 grams of instant yeast. You need butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, salt. You need oil, just a little bit, and a plastic wrap. If you don't have a plastic wrap, it's okay guys, you can still use a cloth. Okay, yes. So to start our Madombi, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar in there. Then we're going to add our butter, and then we pour in our yeast, instant yeast, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, that should do. So guys, to mix in this dough, we're going to pour in lukewarm water into the bowl to make a dough. Okay, so you use your clean hands to make this dough. Yes, so soon after you've done this, what you're gonna do is pour out a little bit of flour on the surface, on your clean surface here, and place it on the flour, and you mix. Keep on doing this, yes, until you get a perfect dough. So when you have something like this, you're going to take your oil now, just a little bit of your oil, and just pour it over, and here as well on the bowl. Just oil it a bit, and yes, just go around of your dough and leave it in there. And yeah, so you see guys, this is how it looks now. See, so you're going to take a wrap and just place it over, and then leave it until it doubles in size. Okay, it has to rise until it looks like it's double in size, guys. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up and put it in a warm place so that it actually rises faster. Yeah, so guys, you see now it has doubled in size. Yay guys, we're good to go. So we're going to remove this wrap from the bowl. Yes, see, that's how it looks. So now we're gonna have to deflate it and remove it from the bowl. So now we're going to take a little bit of oil and just oil it again. Yeah, like that. We're going to take a tray, what do you call this? A container, a metal container, and we're going to grease this. We're going to grease it. You can use butter actually, but since I've already used it, that's a bit too much. we're going to grease the rest of the pan, the whole of it actually. Grease it up with oil. And then you take your dough, same process. And just drop it in there. And then you're going to cover this up and put it back in the oven or your warm place for 15 minutes this time, not an hour, but 15 minutes. Yeah. So guys, our dough has risen. So this is what it looks like now. It's almost full. So we're going to pour it. We're going to put this in here, inside this boiling water pot. Okay. There's boiling water in there, and we're going to drop this in here, right? As you can see, guys, it's cooking. It's all in here. It's cooking. So let's wait until our dough is done. Guys, we're going to try and make our stew, but today I'm not making beef. I'm gonna make mince instead. So we have our mince here. I've already chopped the vegetables. So what we need, just a simple uzoyithola kanjani uhlale khonene mngani wami thula 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 wena ukhalelani sula sula ngenyembeti uzoyithola kanjani uhlale khonene mngani wami thula 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 wena ukhalelani sula sula ngenyembeti So guys, this is how it looks like now after I've added in the thickeners and everything else. So the mince is almost ready. See? As you can see, guys, my dumplings are ready, and I want them to cool. So I cut them. I sliced the big dough, the big dumpling, into these pieces. So now let me plate my plate and show you guys how it looks like at the end.